and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today, I have another Giveaway Monday. For those of you who are new to the show, about once a month or every 3 weeks or so, on Monday I do a giveaway, and the prize is a 1-year premium membership to the DIY website Instructables.com. I love that website. It's my favorite DIY website. Really cool. Also, I post all of my recipes there in a step-by-step with pictures format, which is really cool for those of you who like a written format. And also, as a premium membership, you can download a PDF of that recipe. So really cool. I also do 2 3-month membership giveaways, so a total of 3 prizes. And all you needed to do to enter into the contest was on my last giveaway video, just make a comment, and then that automatically entered you into this giveaway. So for the next giveaway, just comment down below and you'll be entered into the next giveaway. Okay, on to the winners. All right, I have my URL in here. We had 9 unique commenters. Alrighty, we'll go ahead and start it. And the first winner of 1-year premium membership, AVV73. Finally, I get to see your vids again. My connection was having a fit. I saw you made a wheat bread. I definitely have to make it. Okay, my favorite movies of all time are Poltergeist and Cujo. I couldn't decide on one. Love horror movies. Looking forward on catching up on your videos. You take the time and go to the point. And your explanations are clear and easy for us to understand and follow. Thank you so much. Could you make a video on how to make pretzels? My husband loves the sugar cinnamon ones and I would love to learn how to make them. Awesome, thank you so much. Yeah, I think I responded to that. I do have a video on how to make pretzels. All right, 1-year premium membership for you. Next winner. Next winner is Carmen Colon. My favorite movie is Dirty Dancing. All right, you got a 3-month premium membership. Next winner. Next winner is Liz. Hi Matt, thumbs up for your awesome videos. Really great content. Keep up the great work. Well, thank you, Liz. Congratulations to the winners. To claim your prize, go ahead and sign up to Instructables.com with a free membership, and then find me on there and send an email to me, and then I will send you your code for your premium membership. Like I said, to be entered into next month's giveaway contest, just go ahead and drop a comment down below right here in this video and you'll be automatically entered into the next giveaway. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below in the description, you'll find links to my other social media accounts in case you want to check those out. Take care.